The 2016 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, navigation system, all-wheel drive, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.